morning, kids. Kids, today we will learn about wild animals. What we will learn today? We will learn about wild animals. Wild animals कौन से animals होते हैं जो जंगल में रहते हैं? Okay?
Kids, this is lion, and lion is the king of jungle. Which animal is this? Lion. And kids, this is tiger, and tiger is our national animal. This is tiger. So kids, this is zebra. Which animal is this? Zebra. And this is monkey. Monkey is also wild animal. And kids, this is kangaroo. Which animal is this? Kangaroo. And this is fox. Which animal is this? Fox. And kids, this is giraffe. And giraffe has a longest neck. Which animal is this? Giraffe. Kids, this is deer. Which animal is this? Deer. And kids, this is bear. Bear is also wild animal. And kids, this is elephant. And elephant is the biggest animal on land. Okay kids, thank you. Have a nice day.